Alright, next one we're going to be doing is sending a single email to your MCA. And we're not doing this just to send them something to get in their way. What we're doing is teaching you how to send a single email. So we're actually having you physically do this. So then when you want to do it down the road, you'll have that muscle memory and you've actually done it. Or you can just come back here and watch this video as well when you're ready. But let's send an email. So we go to this and we go to MyKW. Close that down. And if they're not in your contact database already, just click Add New Contact. So we want to add them to it, so we'll put in your MCA email address, yourmca@kw.com. So we put in their information and their email address. Then all we do is hit save. But now, being that a single email is not attached to a group, and nor should it be, you're sending a single email to the client, to your person, and we're going to use the marketing feature to do this. You can send them an email here, but it's very generic. There's no HTML. All it is the base stuff, and it's just going to come from you. It's going to look pretty bland. But what we want to do is go into create marketing, because you do have the ability to send out a nice, fancy, professional email. So we go in here, and then we're actually going to create a new project, because it's not one of the quick links out here to send a single email. So you go create new project, and market to my business. I'm sorry, market to my sphere. Apologize. Sphere, and down here is an option for single email, and there it is. I select it, and I'll call this test email to MCA, and I can actually just do mass email. I have a folder called mass email, and you could create that, or you could call it a single email folder, whatever you want to call it, and then just save that file in there. Click next. All of your information again will be in here, and it'll be the information you want. You never have to do this as long as you follow all of the steps to the guide. And then hit next. There's your photo or my photo. You can change the look of this, so I can preview the email. And here's what it looks like. So they actually are linked right to my site as well. But it's got this header, and it's going to put this information in. So now I say, yep, that's all good. I hit next. And the header, I can actually change that. And then header number 2, which is the second one, I can change that if I want to. So if I have a nice logo, it tells you the width of what you need to do as well. Heading number 1, so hello MCA. Not hell MCA, whoopsie. Hello MCA. Blah, 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 blah. Type in your note. Hit done. And then you click on email, and we're going to do it now. Subject line, click next. And now, if you were actually sending out a nice update to your entire database about something going on or something big happened in real estate, or just saying hi, maybe you want to wish everybody something for the holidays, you could do that. But now I can do, I'll find my MCA, so I'll just type in MCA. See if it finds that person. It does not. Your MCA. I think I had it under. There we go. So I would add that person to this email. I can also add groups. So if you want to do it to all of your 8x8s, all of your, let's see, your past clients. So I can actually go to page 2. I have my Facebook contact with my family. Maybe I want to send out an email to them. All my open house buyers, past client buyers. Maybe I want to send out an email to them thanking them for their business. Whatever it may be, you can add groups or individuals. Hit next and hit email. And again, what it's going to do is it's going to email you to confirm that that is good. So check your email, and there's 2, depending on how you have your profile set up. If you go just back to the contacts here, if you have in your website and your profile info and click on the edit button, if you are using an external email here for your marketing email, that's where they're going to email you to proof it. If it's your eEdge email, it's going to be in your webmail here, and you're going to get an email. It takes a few minutes for it to come through, and then you're going to have to click on it and confirm it. And I'll see if I can actually show you what one of those looks like. Chat, all mail. So this is how the email, I have